Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Swinney, coming at you this Friday afternoon from the New York Stock Exchange broadcast booth overlooking the trading floor, and I'm in a great mood today. Sure, it's raining outside, but it hit me. It's a Friday, the weekend is almost here, and that means we're going to get the weekend started early. So it's not quite 4 o'clock. The markets, they're not closed yet, but we're going to celebrate a little bit before everybody else. It's time for an early Friday happy hour here in the Big Apple. Now stocks, they are mostly in the red this Friday afternoon, pressured by mixed quarterly reports amid a rising U.S. dollar. Now on this, a day with no major economic reports, focus for investors immediately turning to data, where Dow component General Electric reporting mixed results before the open, beating estimates on earnings, but also missing on revenues. The company also narrowing its 2016 earnings per share guidance. Meanwhile, Microsoft, which is another Dow component, posted better than expected results across the board late Thursday. In addition, Fed speakers all the rage today. Fed Governor Daniel Tarullo delivering a speech mid-morning in which he did not address monetary policy, but he did say that the U.S. Central Bank may introduce more measures to test big banks' capital and liquidity. Traders also keeping an eye on the U.S. dollar, which hit a 7-month high as the Chinese yuan currency hit its lowest level against the dollar dating back to 2010. Combine all of this with easing oil prices, oil prices easing higher, then you have yourself a session right now where the Dow Jones is just a slight bit in the red. Let's take a look to see how the markets are shaping up to close out not just this session, but the week as well. And it's a Friday. Instead of talk about corporations, which there isn't much to talk about, we're going to talk about sports. Let's first begin across the pond over in London. This Sunday, big sports day out there. The New York football Giants playing the Los Angeles Rams in London town. Also, Sunday afternoon, midday, Chelsea versus Man United. Big. Can't wait. Well, for the New York Jets, who are most likely out of it, it's the Ravens at the Meadowlands. I hope they can win, but I don't have my hopes up. But with that stated, kick back, relax, grab yourself a drink. I'll see you guys all on Monday. Thank you very much for continuing to watch and support Modern Wall Street. A lot more is coming. And have yourself a safe weekend, all right? For Modern Wall Street, I'm James Swinney.